Hey everyone, a quick video here of some of the new drops that we just got in. This is coming up to October here. So yeah, this is one of the Fight with black variety.
A crack of light through the darkest storm.
These are like a shorter leaf.
Fragile seed in the earth reborn.
We finally got some of these sago palms in
whispers, the sky bends low.
These are pretty
This
hard
is where the fighters grow. I hear the drum beat deep inside. A quiet roar I cannot hide.
Have a lot of flowers on them right now. Get a nice size for
no matter how hard life gets, I rise again, through the ashes, through the rain. I rise again, the sun will break, the shadows bend. I rise again.
And most of these plants too, like these, they all pretty much need like a bright indirect light. Sago palm is maybe a little bit more.
They write my story, they carve my name. The mountain calls, the summit gleams. I am the answer to my dream.
Even without the flowers, we still have a nice look home.
The echoes shout from peak to
some black old, I
peak.
think it's a black old snake plant. And then
The voice of courage starts to speak. No matter how hard life gets, through the ashes, through the rain, the sun will break, the shadows bend. I rise again, I rise again.
Again, nice trunks on those too. But yeah, we normally get a weekly pickup of tropicals. This is a Hoya Wayedia. See you soon.
A crack of light through the darkest storm. A fragile seed in the earth reborn.